Did she smile at you?
Can I sit on the table with her?
I want you to be careful, Tiggs.
Why?
What's Daddy doing?
He started it.
Okay, sit down. This is.
Are you ready?
Sit down, Tiggs. Oh, her first cereal. What do you think, Isla? Cover your mouth. Oh, cover your mouth, chicken. Does that not look good to you? What do you think, Isla? Tegan, I want you to sit down, honey.
Hey, sit down on the table.
Well, I think we know Isla hates it.
Oh, great. Baby, this is supposed to be a big moment. Tegan, sit down. Oh, Isla. Okay. Well, that went well. Almost as well as our first bath with Tegan. Okay. Let's stop. Let's stop. Now, everybody happy again? Tegan, I'm afraid you're going to stop. Oh, baby. That was supposed to be something nice for you.
Yeah, she loves it. Big fan of that.
Wait until next week we're going to try peas. I'm sure you'll like peas.